Yo, what's good, YouTube? This your boy, Bandman Rio. Have no what, what? Fuck. Bandman Rio is what? Fuck. Hell, stop playing. Hey, look, talk to me nice or don't talk to me at all. In my New York voice. Hey, look, though, I'm finna let y'all know. Okay, the description gonna be down below of the link of the video to show you how to make CPNs. It's going crazy right now. Like y'all over going crazy. Oh, I need to cut my hair too on BD. But look though, the video, this shit is for entertainment purposes only. This shit is not real. Look though, the recent video I just posted about a CPN, not the trade lines, the CPN. That's how you make a CPN. But for the ones that's like struggling with the on the social security number, on that website in the description, it's gonna show you like how to put your numbers so it can match the state you in, and how you want to pick your state. Go to Google Maps. Matter of fact, come up. I love y'all so much. I'm finna log on to the computer. I'm finna show y'all how to pick out the address and shit. I'm finna show y'all, but yeah, only thing you gotta do is just make sure your first two numbers, your first three numbers and shit match the country. After that, the second two gotta match your age. That's very important though. It gotta match your age. Yes, sir. So look, as soon as I log in, I'm finna go crazy. So it's like the website show you, if you go all the way down, it show you the preview, a preview how to, you know what I'm saying, state, the country and shit work. So y'all shouldn't be lost with that. So don't worry about the state. Don't worry about the age, as long as you pick the right age. But the last four of y'all numbers or the social, y'all gotta keep playing with it because it's gonna be hard. You know what I'm saying? Now look, the website just picked up. So I'm finna, me and my cousin, we finna act bad. Hey, y'all, subscribe to me. We on some money shit, though. I'm on some money shit. This shit for entertainment purposes only. Google Maps, bam. Bro, like this, I don't care about this shit for real. Like, I ain't gonna lie, like, a lot of people been beating around the bush and just giving out subliminals, but they ain't giving y'all a website. I'm giving y'all a website, and I'm giving y'all a website to make your CPN. I'm not finna have my own people pay $1,500, $900, $800, $500, $600, $700, $850, $750 for a damn website or to learn the same shit. Like, hey, so share my shit on Facebook and YouTube. Like, you know, just share my shit so they won't go through what y'all went through. You know, like. So look. So say y'all website was in New York, right? This is what you're gonna do. This is what y'all gonna do. Y'all gonna type in just New York. Just put any address though, like, just put any address. Say if you trying to go to New York. And this for somebody that just called me. So that's why I'm really making this video. That's on my brother, nigga. Go. Oh my God, we in Brooklyn. Shout out New York too, man. Y'all see this? Y'all see this mouse right here? This is what you're gonna do. Say if you on the phone, you gonna zoom up and you gonna tap it. Now look, they got the address right here. This how you come up with the address for your CPN. This how you come up with the address. Now look, only thing you just do is tap the motherfucking the little icon. You just zoom up and tap that bitch. But look though. This shit, it ain't gonna work on my computer. Like, I don't know why, but it ain't gonna work. So we finna go to the description, right? Bam, we finna go to the social. Now I'm finna show you how to make the social. I'm finna rewind it back. Hold on. I'm finna rewind it back, man. So look, y'all see how I just typed in New York and I zoomed up? You can, if you're on the phone, you can do this. And it's gonna zoom right up, but this not no touch screen. But if you was on the phone, you would have do this and you tap the number. See right here. Y'all see the arrow? Once the arrow drop, I got their location. It's so fucking easy. That's all you do to find out your address. How you want to find out your address? Like, this shit ain't hard. So you do this. You put this shit in your notes. After you put this shit in your notes, you're gonna put your first, depending on what name you use. If you're using your real name, put your first and last name, birthday, social security, address, and then go from there. Now look, this show you all the steps. So this is New York right here, right? So the first three gonna be probably, see how I say 050, 134? I'm gonna make it like 100, cause it's still in New York range on BD. So that's the first three, right? Now watch this. This the two. This your age right here. This your age range. So man, it's not gonna work. So I'm gonna put a I remember this shit like it was yesterday. Bam, stop playing. See, mine's gonna say something like I ain't gonna lie, I low key burnt this out like, but it ain't gonna work on my computer because it's like I've been doing so much shit on her, y'all. Therefore I can't really explain to y'all. I'm gonna have my homegirl explain it to y'all cause she active with it. I didn't show her how to do this shit on video. I did. She's snapping. She getting motherfuckers approved too. Let me see. New York. Up there it go. You see that? 050, 50 to 139. And what to say for the New York right here? 050, 134. I said 139, my bad, y'all. 134, I mean, it still said. This shit's so easy, so it's like, come on. And after you do that, you're gonna go to Social Security Validator, and you're gonna be cool. Y'all gonna be cool, man. Y'all gonna be cool. Once you go to a validator, and validator say this, I'm finna show y'all. It's a CPN number too, but they don't got no credit history. Like, you know, like it ain't hard to do this shit. Damn, I've been on this bitch 7 minutes just explaining to y'all. I low key told them I was gonna make this shit. See the website down, but I don't like that, so it's gonna be like Social Security Validator. We gonna go to the they police is here. They got the whole. Oh my god. I just typed in validated, this shit popped up. You see, like, the shit on the internet, y'all just gotta do, hey, subscribe to me. But y'all want some more info? If y'all wanna keep on, you know what I'm saying, having me keep on going, try to like review the shit, just hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna keep on going.